Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by giving the phone app the rights it needs. This is why calls can show custom screens. Open Settings, find Apps, then Default Apps or the phone app, and check permissions for contacts, phone, and display over other apps. Once done, if you prefer a third-party dialer, make it the default. This lets its incoming screen override the system. Make sure to act now. Incomplete permissions are the most common blocker to customizing the incoming call screen. Now open your phone app and go to Settings, then Incoming Call Settings or Call Display. Different manufacturers label it differently, so look for similar terms. Choose Full Screen, Banner, or a custom theme. Full Screen shows photos, Banner keeps the interface compact. Once you select an option, preview it and tweak caller photo sizing, quick action buttons like mute or message, and swipe gestures. Because these choices affect interruption level, pick what balances visibility and minimal disruption. Finish by testing. Call your device from another phone or use a VoIP test to confirm the new appearance. If the incoming screen doesn't change, clear the phone app cache, force stop, then reopen. Updates sometimes block settings, so uninstall recent app updates or reinstall. If problems persist, reset app preferences to restore defaults and reapply settings. One troubleshooting tip: verify your Android version supports that customization. Older vendor skins may limit features, so check compatibility before changing further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.